So we have ground cinnamon. We have some whole milk, guys, whole milk. We have lime. We have an orange, which we are going to be using the zest of the orange. We have vanilla extract. I have light brown sugar, and we also going to be using a little bit of salt. All right, so let's get started. So here I'm adding 8 cups of the whole milk. All right, to make our Dulce De Leche Cortada, or cut up milk candy, whichever way you want to say it, Spanish or English is fine with me. The end result is what counts, right? So here, while we are adding this milk, if you have not subscribed, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and that like button, please. And here I'm adding the juice of 2 lime, and I let this sit for half an hour so the milk could curdle. So now I'm adding my orange zest and my cinnamon stick. I'm gonna have the ingredients in the bottom and the amount, okay? Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the vanilla extra. So if you miss me adding anything, go ahead and check the ingredients. Here I'm adding a half a teaspoon of salt, a half tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and I am adding 3 cups of the light brown sugar. All right, this thing come out so good, guys. Woo, you see, that's what the lime juice does to the milk. It cutters it. All right, so it should look like that. There's nothing wrong with it, okay? So this is what you want right there. And we are going to stir this for a little bit. And then when it boils, as soon as it starts boiling, guys, you're going to go ahead and lower your fire down. And you're going to let it cook for another 45 minutes to an hour. It depends on the texture that you want. So here, as you could see, it started boiling. And this is how it looks when it starts boiling. Okay, you see this right here? That's what you want. That means the milk has cut up, it has come up to the surface, and it has separated. And that's exactly what you want. That's what you're looking for. So now you're gonna go ahead and lower your fire, let it cook for 45 minutes to an hour while you watch your favorite show. Okay. Here, you know, like, some people like it loose like this. And this is just fine. If you like yours like that, you could go ahead and turn it off, put it in a container, and let it cool off before you eat it, okay? Me, I let it cook a little longer so it could get a little thicker. I like mine a little thicker. And I went ahead and turned it off. This is my end result. And this stuff, guys, you could eat it with cake. You could eat it by itself. You could eat it with ice cream. The possibilities are endless. Is delicious. So go ahead and give this recipe a try, and thank you again for stopping by, and I will see you in the next recipe. Enjoy this wonderful dessert, especially now for the holidays and winter. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next recipe.